Robin, we're here at MACH 2018 and it's Monday. Now, I can see there's a lot of new technology on your stand, and by the way, it looks absolutely fabulous. But what technology can people expect that are coming to have a look at the Autodesk stand?
Sure, it's a good question. So the centerpiece is all about the BAC Mono car. That's Autodesk software that's been used to design and develop and manufacture that car. And what we've really tried to do is scatter the technology to the four corners of the stand. So in the one corner we can see additive and lightweighting technology. On another corner we've got what we call directed energy deposition, which is the ability to build parts out of metal by almost laying them up with a robot. Further around we've got the Eagle, and that we've used subtractive technologies to machine away from a very complex piece from a block of material. And then in the far corner we've got a robot. So one of the things we can do is drive robots with our technology up to 18 axes simultaneously. So again, we're using that for a trimming example.
So the technologies that you've got on display are not just for the auto sport industry, they're for all industries.
Absolutely, yeah. It's anybody that's making something. So if you're in the business of making things, then we're the place you need to come to see and help you to do that.
And you mentioned robotics. Now, there's a lot of robotics, and automation is a big buzzword at the minute. But how is your automation or automation solution different to anybody else's?
Well, ours is interesting in that we're really combining the subtractive and the additive together. So it's one environment you can be working in to either add material on or take it away. And in the case of robots, we're really trying to treat a robot as another machine tool, so that it's not this black art or science of creating tool paths to drive a robot. It's as easy as driving a machine tool as you traditionally would.
And is this changing the landscape of engineering?
Definitely, yeah. I mean, we're seeing that change rapidly at the moment. I mean, the whole idea of subtracting and removing material and then adding material, either one or the other, is completely changing. What we're seeing now is an environment where you can combine the two. You can cut away the parts that you want to and then build the parts on top of that. So yeah, it's a hybrid world. It's rapidly evolving.
And is this simple? I mean, some people might have reservations going down this route, but you're doing live demos on an actual real life component?
Yeah, in all the corners we've got, if you like, a PC setup where we can actually present and demonstrate the different technologies that we offer, whether that be additive, subtractive, simulation, you name it. We've got lots and lots of technology on this stand that we can show people according to their needs.
And is it simple?
Absolutely, yeah. It's designed to be easy yet powerful to use.
Thank you very much, Robin.
Good to see you, Gio.